Welcome, car enthusiasts and collectors, to today's exclusive showcase of automotive excellence. We've gathered a stunning collection of classic and vintage automobiles that represent the pinnacle of design, performance, and history. Whether you're a fan of American muscle or European elegance, you're in for a treat. From the roaring power of a meticulously restored 1955 Chevrolet Belaire to the timeless beauty of a 1956 Jaguar XK140. Every vehicle in this lineup tells a story of craftsmanship and passion. So, buckle up as we take you on a journey through these incredible machines, each one a masterpiece in its own right. Let's get started with our first showstopper. First car, we start with the stunning 1955 Chevrolet Belaire, available for $110,000 in Pearland, New York. This is not just any classic car, but a two-door hardtop that has been meticulously transformed into a mild pro-street beast. Under the hood, you will find a 502 engine equipped with an 871 blower, churning out an impressive 1,000 horsepower. The power is managed by an automatic transmission built specifically to handle such force. This Belaire is not just about performance. It also boasts a luxurious interior with a billet dash, leather seats, and all-new wiring. The exterior is equally striking, with a gypsy red and white ivory paint job, fully re-chromed bumpers, and LED lights. This car has undergone a complete body-off restoration and is ready to steal the show wherever you go. With only 700 miles on the build, it is practically brand new. Serious inquiries only, please, as this is a cash-only deal. Next car, number 2. Moving on to a classic from across the pond, we have the 1956 Jaguar XK140, priced at $130,000 in Leander, Texas. This roadster is part of the Special Equipment series, making it one of only about 1,000 left-hand drive open two-seaters produced in that model year. This Jaguar was meticulously restored over several years, including a rebuild of its original 3.4L straight-six engine and a repaint in a non-original beige color. The interior was reupholstered with biscuit leather, staying true to its original style. This car is not just a beauty but a champion, having won first place in the National Jaguar Show, C3 division, with near-perfect scores. The car comes with a Jaguar Heritage Trust certificate and has less than 500 miles on it since the restoration. With a 4-speed manual gearbox, twin SU carburetors, and chrome wire wheels, this XK140 is a true collector's item. Okay, here, car number 3. Up next is another American legend, the 1957 Chevrolet Belaire, available for $205,000. This Belaire is more than just a pretty face. It is a performance machine with a 406 SBC engine featuring top-of-the-line forged parts, AFR enforcer heads, and a racing 700R4 transmission. The car is equipped with dual Edelbrock 650 carburetors, a Griffin performance radiator, and a Flex, a light 3000 CFM fan to keep everything running cool. The suspension has been heavily modified with adjustable coilovers and custom rear four-link suspension, giving it a stance that is both aggressive and functional. The interior includes an aftermarket Bluetooth stereo and a 7-way tilt column, making it as comfortable as it is powerful. The engine, built by Skip White's Performance, has less than 100 miles on it and produces an astounding 716 horsepower. This car is ready to turn heads and make an impression wherever it goes. Car number 4. Now we have the unique 1957 Studebaker Golden Hawk, listed for $139,000 in Louisville, New York. This vehicle has been upgraded with a GM 350 crate engine, producing 333 horsepower, paired with a Chevy automatic transmission and rear end. It comes with power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and dual master cylinders, making it a comfortable and reliable driver. The interior has been fully restored and includes seat belts, while the exterior shows no signs of rust. The sale also includes the original engine, which needs some work, along with the original supercharger, transmission, and rear end. This Golden Hawk is a rare find, combining classic styling with modern performance. Finally, car number 5. Last but certainly not least, we present the 1961 Chrysler 300 grams convertible, priced at $152,900. This is one of only 337 convertibles made in 1961, making it an incredibly rare and desirable vehicle. The car was originally black with a beige interior and has undergone a complete restoration to bring it back to its former glory. This Chrysler 300 grams is a true luxury cruiser, combining elegance with power.
The restoration alone would cost more than $150,000, not including the price of the car itself.
If you are looking for a classic American convertible that stands out in any crowd, this Chrysler 300 grams is an excellent choice.